Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest. You can find creators. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest, you can find creators. You should just go to settings. After that, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will go to this window of Pinterest here and you will enter. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. Here in this window, you will click on first stop, clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.